Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the dazzling world of precious gemstones. You know me, I'm obsessed with anything sparkly and beautiful, and these gems are the ultimate treasures. Welcome to our journey through the world of the most expensive gemstones ever discovered. Get ready to be mesmerized because we're about to unveil some seriously stunning stones. From diamonds with histories as rich and vibrant as their colors, to gemstones that are basically one of a kind, we're about to feast our eyes on some serious bling. Today we'll explore the rare treasures that have captivated humanity for centuries. So, grab your favorite drink, maybe dim the lights a bit for extra ambiance, and let's get lost in the captivating world of some of the most expensive gemstones ever discovered. First up, we're kicking things off with a bang, or should I say a pink star. This diamond is a total showstopper. I mean, it's over 59 carats of pure, vibrant pink perfection. Just imagine holding this gem in your hand. It's bigger than a gobstopper. Discovered in South Africa, this dazzling stone is not just beautiful, it's crazy valuable. We're talking over $71 million. The pink star is classified as a fancy vivid pink, which is basically the highest grade of pink color intensity you can get in a diamond. And trust me, the pictures don't do it justice. The way it shimmers and reflects light is absolutely breathtaking. It's like a little piece of a pink galaxy captured in a stone. Owning something like this would be like holding a piece of the universe, a piece of history, a piece of pure radiant beauty. Next up, we're traveling to a land of icy elegance with the blue moon of Josephine diamond. This stone is special, guys. It's not every day you come across a blue diamond this big and brilliant. Weighing almost 12 carats, it gets its name from its rare vivid blue color. It's like staring into the deepest ocean or the clearest night sky. It's sold for a whopping $48.4 million at an auction, named Blue Moon for its rarity, and Josephine after the buyer's daughter. Okay, getting real for a second, the Oppenheimer blue is on another level. This diamond, my friends, is not just a gemstone, it's a piece of history. It once belonged to Sir Philip Oppenheimer, a man who basically shaped the entire diamond industry. Imagine having that kind of legacy attached to a stone. But let's talk about the diamond itself. This beauty is a massive 14.62 carats and boasts that same mesmerizing vivid blue hue that has us all obsessed. It's like a pool of the bluest water you've ever seen, just radiating elegance and sophistication. In 2016, this masterpiece was auctioned off for a casual $57.5 million, making it one of the most expensive diamonds ever sold. The Oppenheimer blue isn't just a diamond, it's a symbol of enduring beauty, a testament to the timeless allure of these precious stones. Chapter 4. The Hope Diamond. A legend wrapped in mystery. Alright folks, buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of the Hope Diamond, a gem that's as famous for its beauty as it is for its alleged curse. I know, curses sound spooky, but hear me out. This diamond has a past, a long and winding past that spans continents and centuries. It's believed to have originated in India, where it was adorned on a statue of a Hindu goddess. Fast forward a few centuries, and it ends up in the hands of European royalty, only to be stolen during the French Revolution. Talk about a wild ride. But here's the thing. Despite its turbulent past, the Hope Diamond remains one of the most stunning gemstones ever discovered. Its deep blue color, weighing in at a cool 45.52 carats, is truly mesmerizing. It's like the universe condensed into a single breathtaking stone. Chapter 5. The Musaif Red Diamond, a blaze of fiery perfection. Get ready to be set ablaze with the Musaif Red Diamond. This gem is the epitome of rarity. Red diamonds are like unicorns, incredibly rare and breathtaking. The red shield weighs 5.11 carats. Its color is out of this world, estimated to be worth over $20 million. Chapter 6. The Graph Pink. A delicate dance of pink perfection. Okay, let's talk about pink diamonds for a second. I mean, is there anything more feminine, more elegant, more utterly gorgeous? The Graph Pink is the epitome of pink diamond perfection. This stunning pear-shaped beauty weighs in at over 24 carats and boasts that same captivating pink hue that makes pink diamonds so sought after. It's like a blushing sunset captured in a stone, a delicate whisper of color that just takes your breath away. What makes the graph pink even more special is its clarity. It's classified as internally flawless, meaning it has no visible inclusions or blemishes. It's literally perfect, just like a diamond should be. And the price tag? Well, let's just say it sold for a cool $46 million at auction. Chapter 7. The Wittelsbach Graf Diamond, Blue Blood in the Gem World. Time to travel back in time, my friends, because the Wittelsbach Graf Diamond has a history that spans over 4 centuries. This stunning blue diamond has seen it all, from royal courts to auction houses, and its story is as captivating as its color. The Wittelsbach Graf gets its name from its former owners, the Wittelsbach family, who were once the rulers of Bavaria. It was passed down through generations of royalty, making it a true gem with a royal pedigree. But here's the kicker. In 2008, famed jeweler Lawrence Graf bought the diamond and recut it to enhance its brilliance and clarity. It was a controversial move, but one that ultimately resulted in a diamond that shines brighter than ever. Today, the Wittelsbach Graf, with its mesmerizing blue hue and rich history, is considered one of the most valuable diamonds in the world. Chapter 8. The Koh-i-Noor Diamond, a mountain of light and legend. Get ready to be transported to a world of emperors and empresses, because the Koh-i-Noor Diamond is steeped in legend and lore. This diamond, my friends, is no ordinary gem. It's a symbol of power, a testament to the enduring allure of precious stones. The Koh-i-Noor, which means mountain of light in Persian, is believed to have been mined in India over 5,000 years ago. Can you believe it? This diamond has been around for centuries, witnessing the rise and fall of empires. It's been set in crowns, fought over in wars, and passed down through generations of rulers. Today, the Koh-i-Noor, weighing in at a massive 105.6 carats, is part of the British Crown Jewels. It's a reminder of India's rich history and a testament to the enduring power of these precious stones. Chapter 9. The Regent Diamond, a journey from mine to masterpiece. Get ready to be dazzled by the Regent Diamond, a pear-shaped beauty that's as famous for its flawless clarity as it is for its size. Weighing in at over 410 carats in its rough form, the Regent Diamond was discovered in India in the late 17th century. Can you imagine stumbling upon something so massive and valuable? Talk about a life-changing moment. The Regent Diamond has had quite the journey. It's been set in swords, worn as a pendant, and even stolen during the French Revolution. But through it all, it's managed to retain its beauty and brilliance. Today, the Regent Diamond, with its perfect clarity and captivating sparkle, is on display at the Louvre Museum in Paris, a testament to the enduring allure of these precious stones. Chapter 10. The Pink Legacy, a radiant heirloom for the ages. Last but certainly not least, we're ending our dazzling journey with the Pink Legacy, a diamond that's relatively new to the scene, but has already made a lasting impact. This emerald-cut beauty weighs in at just under 19 carats, but don't let its size fool you. It's one of the most chemically pure pink diamonds ever discovered. The color? Oh, the color is just out of this world. It's a vibrant, intense pink, like 1,000 flamingos flying across a sunset. It's no wonder that this diamond sold for over $50 million at auction. The Pink Legacy is a reminder that even in the world of precious gemstones, there are still rare and breathtaking discoveries to be made. It's a testament to the enduring power of these stones to captivate and inspire. And there you have it, my loves. A whirlwind tour of some of the most expensive, most breathtaking gemstones ever discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the most expensive gemstones ever discovered. From the fiery intensity of the Musaif Red to the cool elegance of the Blue Moon of Josephine, these gemstones remind us that there's so much beauty in the world. We hope you found this exploration as mesmerizing and calming as these rare treasures themselves. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which one of these stunning stones was your favorite. Until next time, stay sparkly.